welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. I recently received some new Juvia's Place palettes from Mother's Day, and I wanted to see what looks I could create. So this is one of the first looks I created with my new palette from Juvia's Place. And so if you want to see how I achieved this look, just continue to watch this video. Alright guys, so you already know off camera I do my brows. I'm going in today with the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm going in with the Fenty as well as Gola from the palette. And before I apply the eyeshadow, I'm going in with my NYX white eyeshadow base, and I'm just using that as a primer to set my brow, well, not my brows, sorry y'all, but my eyelashes, because whenever I use color, I just find that the white base allows the color to truly show and lets the color pop. So that's what I'm doing here, as well as my waterline, because I'm using color in both areas. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with my Real Technique concealer brush, and I'm just going to be blending out those harsh lines that you see from when I applied the eyeshadow base, just to make sure that the process looks smooth as possible. And guys, what I will say that I noticed with these two products is that I probably should have used a transition, well, not transition, but a loose powder once I applied the white eyeshadow base, because these two products together did not really work well. So as time progressed, like when I did my intro and outro video, the creasing in my lids, you could kind of see like a cakey part, which I didn't realize that after I recorded. But I think I probably I don't know if I needed to blend out the base more, or blend out the base and then apply a loose powder to it to avoid those creasing. But I did notice that after I recorded the video, so when I do another look again, I'm going to try a different way using the loose powder and see how that works. But I do want to just mention that because I did see that at the end. So if you guys notice that or see that, please know that I did see that part. But here I'm just applying my favorite 3D lashes, going in with my moisturizer, and then I'm also going to go with my Milani primer, and I'm going to set my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20, and I'm going to set my face. I find that when I do that, it just allows a more soft and smoother finish when I'm doing my foundation with my black opal in the shade Almond. Here I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and then I'm contouring with the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Cinnamon. I'm going in with my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance from the shade Light to Medium. And I'm going in with my Scope, and I'm using that to help contour my face. Here I'm going in with my True Complexion Highlighter Kit, and I'm going in with these two shades, and I'm applying that as a highlighter to my face. I wanted to use those because of the fact that they had that pink tone. I also go with my LA Pro Girl eyeliner in the shade Electric Blue, and then I'm also going in with my Maybelline blush as well. And I went in with my Lancome highlighter as well. I didn't say that previously, but I am also using that as a highlighter also. Alright guys, so here I'm going in with my NYX lip liner in the shade brown to line my lips. And then I'm going in on top of that with my Milani's lip gloss. And I went in with that because I just wanted to have a more subtle, natural look for the lips, especially since I had a more of a pop with the eyes. So I just went in with that natural gloss. This is a natural, subtle look for the lips. And that's how I achieved my lip combination for this look. Alright guys, well that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you made it this far, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what you enjoyed and what you like and what you want to see in my next videos or this current video, guys. Also, if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to stay true and stay you.